Today we will talk about the FoliFort We products review. We have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy FoliFort. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing FoliFort. The first thing you need to know about FoliFort is, be careful about the website you will buy FoliFort, because FoliFort is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is FoliFort and really works? And the answer is yes, FoliFort works, and after many laboratory tests, the researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will FoliFort is actually a special strength hair regrowth supplement developed to help those regain lost hair while growing volume, strength, and sparkle, among others. Scientists have found that the root cause of hair deterioration is often a steroid called DHT. This steroid is a compound of the hormone known as testosterone and builds up in your body as you get older. When its levels increase, it clogs your hair follicles and stops your hair from growing properly. The reason why DHT keeps building up is because of an enzyme called 5-ARD. With the help of certain plants, vitamins, and minerals, your body can detox your body and support healthy and strong new hair growth. FoliFort is the only supplement that contains the perfect balance you need to support and revitalize your hair from the inside out. Using natural ingredients sourced from non-GMO crops, our scientifically sound formula contains only ingredients that have been proven to support healthy hair growth by promoting natural follicle regeneration, such as FOT, biotin and vitamin B5, horsetail extract, nettle roots, saw palmetto, white peony. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with FoliFort, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used FoliFort, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test FoliFort during 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back. So be safe to use the FoliFort, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for FoliFort to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. Take 2 capsules every day after eating your evening meal with a glass of water, or else you will not see great results and you will really get a little frustrated. Also important for you to know, FoliFort has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy FoliFort, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that FoliFort really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.